everyone, welcome back to Rooted with Aiysha, and we are entering a new week. I just wanted to come on and check in with all of you because I have been posting a lot of shorts, but I've also been posting some videos in between, and I am going to be getting ready for the new week because I do work on Sundays. But I also wanted to hydrate my hair, y'all, because you know the roots is thirsty. I sprayed it with some of my Camille Rose sea moss and aloe vera spray, and I just had a really good bath. But I just want all of you to know that I'm thinking about all of you, and times are definitely feeling uncertain. You don't know what you're gonna do. You don't know where you're gonna go. You don't know who's doing what. But I definitely want us to really check in on one another and really be focused and intentional with everything that we're doing, because it's a lot. It can be overwhelming. It can be isolating when you're trying to make the best decisions out of unknown circumstances. But the most important thing is to be wise as a serpent, harmless as a dove. That's scripture. The most importantly, it's important to be understanding and open and honest about all things. And if you're not feeling okay, you're not feeling okay, and that's okay. To not be okay, that's fine. And that's why I want to definitely make this channel rooted in history and history deep conversations, but also in self-care, because I've spent 5 years, almost 6 years, at a company institution that was taxing on my mental and physical, and I learned a lot. It taught me a lot, but I feel as though I lost myself along the way in customer service. That's what I was supervisor when I ended my tenure at that company. And if you want to know a little bit more about that, I have a podcast episode, Rooted and Rewired, where I am going to be having deep-rooted conversations, other conversations on there too that I will not have on YouTube, by ways of, I want to be raw and honest, and some things may not be okay for this platform. So that's that. But I do want to let you all know that I'm thinking about you, and let's get into what I really wanted to show you. Alrighty, so we're here. I wanted to let you all know that it is evening time. I think it's like after 9. But I do want to get my hair dressed because I don't want to worry about having my hair up and about tomorrow, because I do work from home, so no one's really gonna see my hair. I'm not gonna hop on any Zoom meetings on a weekend. So I have my trusty satin cap. Keep in mind, this is Rooted with Aiysha, so if you see me with my satin cap, you see me with my satin cap. This is an unfiltered channel, because oftentimes we don't like to see ourselves in any kind of way. But I'm not gonna, be out here in any other inappropriate way. But if I'm at home and I'm wearing my satin cap and I'm having a conversation, then I'm gonna make it organic, So this is my trusty satin cap. It's long to fit my locks. You can get this on Amazon or other retailers or beauty supply stores that has satin caps. So, and then I have a brush. This is like a boar bristle. This is kind of hard because with my locks, sometimes it could be fabric, dog hair, because I have 2 dogs. And it could be just fabric from clothes, like it's the little materials that stick on clothes, that kind of thing. Yeah, that kind of thing. So I do want to make sure that you all get the authentic version of me. So this is what I'm going to be doing my hair with. This is my little evening routine. I'm going to be using the Camille Rose Mint Condition Braid and Scalp Spray, sea moss and aloe vera. And what I love is that this smells so good, but it also feels as if I'm spraying aloe vera juice on my hair, or it just feels like I'm getting a scalp treatment. So, wait a minute, I locked it. Girl, get it together. Sprays like that. And I love, keep in mind, I already sprayed my hair a little bit already, so I'm not gonna spray too much. I'm just gonna spray a little bit more for you. So I'm just gonna give it a good spray. Okay. We have her saturated, and then keep in mind, I try to use, this is a little remnants of the spray. I try to use minimal products on my hair. I try not to go so crazy. So I'm gonna be using the Donna's Recipe Extra Creamy Leave-In Conditioner. As I said, despite everything, I'm gonna use up the rest of my Donna's Recipe products, and then I'm gonna kick it back to Camille Rose, or I'm going to possibly kick it back to Kaleidoscope hair products. So I'm gonna use a combination of these two things. So I can't wait. So I'm gonna be using some of the leave-in conditioner because I'm feeling like I want my hair to be trapped and sealed in and moisturized. And I need something thicker, especially for my loose hair, because my hair, I'm free locking at the moment, where I'm not tooling and I'm not, what do you call, palm rolling. Because one, at this length, I'm like, I'm not even in the mood to even have my roots pulled and manipulated. So I'm just gonna take, girl, come on now. I'm just gonna take this much. What I love about the Donna's Recipe leave-in conditioner is that it's thick, so I go where it's needed. My front, my back, in between my hair, my scalp. I mainly get my scalp because that's what's really dry. And then I take a light amount on my hair because I don't want leave-in to be trapped in. And then I work it in with the brush to really get all up in there. So I'm gonna take this generous amount. If you can see, it's thin, which I love. It's not gonna get all up in my hair. And then I'm gonna get my front with it. Yes, girl. And my back with it. Keep in mind, I recommend you doing this in the bathroom. Someone is in there right now, so you gotta pivot. Y'all gotta pivot. So you all are my mirror, and I'm your canvas, or whatever you want to call it. So I just work it in, and I get all up in my scalp. I get all up in there. Scalp massages are essential to self-care. Yes, for the Lord, won't he do it? And then I just like to brush my hair. But as you can see, look how flat it is. That's why I love free locking, because when you just keep your hair hydrated, but you also don't manipulate it too much, free locking can give the illusion as if your hair is not locked. You see it? You don't know that my hair is locked unless I turn to the side, which I love. So I already brushed my hair, so let me just continue to brush it. See, I got a little fabric thing out of my hair just by brushing. And this is what's been keeping my hair clean. This brush right here. What is that? What earth is that? See? This happened with locks. Sometimes it happens when there's like little fabric things stuck in the hair. And I would say using a lot of apple cider cleansers and a lot of conditioners has helped gotten my hair cleaner. So yeah, honey, yeah. This is definitely these two. I definitely recommend it. The Camille Rose and the Donna's Recipe. I love when you can use a product and it's able to, you know, be interchangeable. So these two for sure. And now let me put my hair in my satin cap. See how uncut we're being? Listen, at the end of the day, it's hot out here for a pimp. So, then I get my hair ready. Cute, cute, and cute. And then I just get into things, and then I'll go to bed because I have to wake up at the butt crack of dawn. I gotta wake up early. So let me clean up my brush a little bit because I'm not trying to be dirty or nothing. I'm not trying to be unsanitary. That's the better word, unsanitary. But I try to keep my brush clean. And this is all the hair that I lost because, you know, sometimes when you brush, dead hairs come out. So that's it. That is my evening hair routine. I like to spray and use this. So I can't honestly wait for you all to experience these products. I'm excited about what's to come, what we're gonna get into, and as well as just embracing our individual journeys. And I know that there's a lot of channels, there's a lot of reviews, there's a lot of different things out there, and it's a time where everything is so overly saturated. But what I really want to bring to you all is authenticity, where you all can come with your satin caps, your teacups, and be you for a moment. And I can't wait for you all to experience my experiences and us to have experiences together. So on the next episode, we're actually going to be tackling essential oils. Can't wait to share that with you. So if there's nothing else, y'all don't gotta leave, but you gotta get up out of here. But have a beautiful evening, day, afternoon, morning, whichever time that you're watching this. And if you have not already, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos that I publish. Check out my shorts. And as I mentioned, I do have dogs, so I will be sharing with you some products that I use for their upkeep and nutrition. And I know that some of you have seen my dogs in the shorts. And yes, Samson and Meek are golden retrievers. Meek and Samson are different breeds of golden retrievers. She's more of like a brown golden, and Samson is like the Air Bud kind of golden. And his parents are big and stocky. They're not, well, they're big boned and beautiful. So if you all may see that he's a little, you know, cute in the face, but hourglass, but has some body yaddy, that's because his parents are huge. It's in his genes. But his weight is being monitored by our vet, and he's definitely losing weight, so he stays healthy. He's 5, she's 4, and my goal is just to keep my dogs healthy, and my family's also. That's our goal. So I do hope that you all will follow us on our journey. And their dogs, y'all, be kind. It will be on. I'm just kidding. I love my dogs. But yeah, I'll see you guys in another episode, and stay safe and blessed. Bye.